Module 2, Session 2, Data Structures. Index, Python Introduction, Data Structures in Python, Lists, Tuples, Dictionaries, and Sets. Python Introduction. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released on February 20, 1991. It is a widely used general-purpose high-level programming language that was named after Monty Python. It is simple, free, and open source since it closely resembles the English language. Do you know why Python booming nowadays? Well, web development, game development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, software development, language development, whatnot. Almost in every technical sector, Python is widely used, and this is the reason why Python is booming nowadays. Here's a fun fact for you. Do you know why does this programming language is named as Python? When Guido van Rossum began implementing Python, he was also reading the published scripts from Monty Python's Flying Circus, a BBC comedy series from the 1970s. Van Rossum thought he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious, so he decided to call the language Python. Data structures in Python. Data structures are containers that organize and group data according to type. The basic data structures in Python are lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Let's dive into brief explanation on various data structures in Python. Lists. List is an ordered sequence of items. It is one of the most used data type in Python and is very flexible. All the items in a list do not need to be of the same type. The main difference between arrays and lists is that a list can store different type of data, but an array can store same type of data. Also, list can grow dynamically in memory, but the size of the array is fixed. Lists are mutable. A list once created can be modified. Lists in Python can be created by just placing the sequence inside the square brackets. Tuple. Just like list, tuple is also an ordered collection of Python objects. The only difference between tuples and lists is that tuples are immutable. That is, a tuple once created cannot be modified. Tuples in Python can be created by just placing the sequence inside the parenthesis. Dictionaries. Simply we can relate it to Oxford Dictionary, which has a word and meaning of it. Similarly, here dictionary has keys and values. Dictionary is an unordered collection of key-value pairs. It is generally used when we have a huge amount of data. Dictionaries are optimized for retrieving data. We must know the key to retrieve the value. In Python, dictionaries are defined within flower braces, with each item being a pair in the form of key-value. Key and value can be of any type. Sets. The last type of data structure we look into is sets. Sets are a good way to get the unique elements out of the collection or to find common elements in various collections. Using sets is quick and can help solve tasks requiring deduplication. The next upcoming video will be on control structures and functions. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.